Today Roland announced his new emblematic drum machine, the TR-8S. After the Aria TR-8, which came out in 2014, the TR-8S brings sound libraries from 5 classic machines, the 808, 606, 909, 707 and 727, and expanded performance capabilities, mostly informed, says Roland, per customer feedback in recent years. The TR-8S is a rhythm interpreter, designed with live sets in mind. There is a lot new with this version compared to the TR-8, but immediately the more elegant and low profile is noticed, along with the RGB color faders. Dimmers can have individually customized brightness and color, useful for distinguishing sounds or grouping sets of sounds. Another essential update, the TR-8S comes with all the sounds of Roland's iconic 808, 606, 909, 707 and 727, along with additional modified versions. These are not sample packets, but use Roland's ACB analog circuit behavior modeling to make everything sound and behave exactly like the original hardware. On the back, there are stereo assignable and 6 assignable audio outputs, a dedicated trigger output and activation track to control external analog run, a multi-channel audio/MIDI interface and an SD card slot to import your own samples and make backup copies of the files. If you load your own samples, the TR-8S allows a maximum of 600 seconds of mono audio of 44.1 kHz, with a limit per file of 180 seconds. This, combined with a massively enhanced built-in library, means that not only are a large number of sounds immediately available, but it's easy to add yours to really customize the hardware.